Now, this is where most classes used to be, but this semester, all of your courses will be delivered online. Now, online courses can be quite different from in-person classes, but as always, I have lots of helpful tips to share with you as to what you can do before, during, and after engaging with your online content. After you've gone over your course content, set aside some time in your study schedule to review the material again. Our brains will naturally forget information as time passes. And can you imagine what it would be like to remember absolutely everything? Knowing that your brain will forget, you need to interrupt that forgetting process by reviewing the material again and spaced out over time. This is the basis of one of my favorite study techniques called spaced repetition, which has been proven to be very effective. I've linked a really great video that explains it a little more in the description below. So during your review times, also plan to start using and applying the content in different ways depending on the subject area. So using strategies such as practice questions, flashcards, or creating concept maps are all excellent ways to review and study the material at a deeper level. So that's all for today's tips on getting the most out of your online courses. Remember, if you're struggling to grasp the content in any of your courses, you can always reach out to your instructor or get support from the Learning Center, where you can book an appointment with a tutor, get some math help, or meet with a learning strategist. Even though we may not be here, we're still here, online to help support you and your success. Happy studying!